can still smell last autumn's leaves stacked up together beneath the trees. Folks drove on by, shook their heads and smiled, said that's just a heap of garbage growing old and wild. But I see life in an old compost pile, slowly turning darkness into something worthwhile. Don't ask me why I keep tending that ground. Some folks chase gold, I just turn scraps around. Every coffee cup of ground, every peel and every stem gets another chance at living when it's laid to rest within. So I ask myself, why do you keep on this way, working for tomorrow when the payoff's far away? Then I grab my shovel, turned another weathered road, and the steam rose through the morning like the earth already knew. There I was seeing an old compost pile, quietly making miracles one handful at a time. Folks may never notice what happens underneath, where yesterday's forgotten things become tomorrow's seed. An apple core remembers the tree it came from then, and every fallen leaf finds its way back home again. Now every season teaches me the same: nothing's ever wasted when the earth calls your name. 'Cause life keeps turning like the changing of the years. What we think is ending is just beginning here. And if someday they lay this old man down, don't spend your tears on cold and lonely ground. Just scatter me among the gardens where the black soil runs so deep, 'cause I'd rather feed the flowers than forever lie asleep. Just like that old compost pile, giving all it has, turning yesterday to tomorrow, one season at a pass. Precious harvests, how they linger.